Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Naked As We Came by Iron and Wine. To play this song we're going to need to tune in drop D, and that's tuning the 6th string down one whole step until we get a D. The rest of the strings is in standard tuning. And then we're going to place a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, so get ready your guitar and let's begin. Okay, and once you have tuned down the 6th string until you get a D, I remind you that if you want to play on the original key, you're going to need to put a capo on the 2nd fret. Anyway, in this video I'm going to play it without the capo, so if you don't have a capo at home, you can still follow the video. And we're going to start like this. We take the position that we use when we play a C, but we're going to move it 2 frets up. In that way we get a D with a little bit the sounding of open strings. That's a D at 11. Okay, and with the right hand we're going to use Travis picking. If you haven't played Travis picking before, it works like this. We start playing the thumb on the 5th string, index finger on the 3rd, then we move the thumb to the 4th string and middle finger on the 2nd. Okay, and from now on what we do is that the first tone can change between the 5th and the 6th string, but the rest is the same. When we play the index finger on the 3rd, thumb on the 4th and middle on the 2nd. Okay, after that we play the 6th string and the rest is the same. Okay, and we have to repeat that. And that's what we call Travis picking. It's really important that you can play it kind of fast and you don't have to think that much on the fingers, that they come automatically. So try to practice a lot that until you can play it fast and you don't need to think about which fingers you use. Okay, so now let's try to play that first measure together. Let's try to play it slow, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Now we can try a little bit faster, like this. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice. And there we have the first measure. Then we come with the index finger to the 2nd fret on the 6th string. So we start from the 6th string and we play like we did on the first measure. 3rd string, 4th and 2nd. After that we do the same but with the ring finger on the 4th fret. Same string. Okay, then we put the 2nd fret with the index finger on the 5th string this time. So now we have to move the thumb to the 5th string. And then 5th string open. get it? So when we put together the measure 1 and 2, sounds like this. I play one more time and then we can try together. Nice, let's try to play together. Measure 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and we just have to keep repeating those two measures on the intro and the verse. We'll repeat it 4 times on the intro and 4 times on the verse. So now let's try to play it together and we can repeat. We can play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. Now let's try again repeating, but we play it a little bit faster, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and there we get the intro and the verse. When we arrive to the chorus, we're going to put an A sus2, and that's almost like an A, but we lift the ring finger. Okay, and we're going to start from the 5th string. But this time we're going to change a little bit, because the second time, instead of playing again the bass and then the 3rd, 4th and 2nd, we're going to play the 3rd, 4th and 1st string. So we get so there is a bit different. After that we play again 2 times, like we did on the first beat of that measure. So there we have the first measure of the chorus. Let's try together that measure. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and on the chorus what we do is that we are going to put that measure together with the second measure of the verse. So we start with that A sus2 and second measure of the verse. Okay, so now let's try together. We can play the first and second measures of the chorus. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, now we can try and we repeat. 1, 2, 3, and... And repeat. Perfect. We can play it again, repeating, but we play it faster, like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and... and repeat. Okay, let's try one more time at the same tempo. 1, 2, 3, and... and repeat. And that was Naked As We Came by Iron and Wine. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please write me a comment and give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs for the song, you're going to find them in my website EasyGuitarTube.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.